Hey, what's going on? I just want to do a quick little tutorial about the importance of adding Foley and music into your project. It's a passion project for Artlist.io and their Creative Fest. So this is just a small little scene in a minute and a half video. This is my whole video here. I'm just doing this little bit, but I feel like this will show you the importance of adding Foley and music. So here's the scene.
I told you a dozen times, you do that again, you're banned for life.
So it's kind of funny, it's kind of okay, but it's not that lively. So what I did was first downloaded some lo-fi hip-hop jazz, and because it's kind of synonymous with cafes, so this is it here.
I told you.
So it's a little bit better. It's still not lively enough. It's a city street look, so I wanted a city street kind of noise. Would have been nice to have some extras sitting there, but I didn't get that opportunity. But anyway, so I just added in some street ambient noise.
I told you a dozen.
So it makes it sound like it's more busier, that it's really selling that we're out on a city street. But there was a couple things that I thought were really missing in this, and that was these two little gems here that I feel bring it together. So this is a thud, which will sell this next part of me laying on the ground, and this is just me doing a comedic woo. So.
I told you a dozen times, you do that again, you're banned for life.
After hitting rock bottom 12 times.
So it really sells that part there, in my opinion. But anyways, that's, to me, this scene I feel is so much better with just a little music, a little bit of Foley, and you got a way better scene to work with and to put out there for your passion project. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, let me know in the comments below. If you want more of this, let me know in the comments below. I just want to say thank you to Artlist.io for giving me and all these other creatives an opportunity to get our stuff out there. And thank you guys for watching.